Welcome to Pease Induction Equipments Private Limited, manufacturer and exporter of induction equipments. The company was established in 1996 in Chennai. Our products are applicable in construction, steel, and automotive sectors, and we export to Africa, Malaysia, and Bangladesh. Specialized R&D wing, high efficiency, and upgraded technical facility make us stand apart from all brands. We offer a diverse range of induction coils, ferrous and non-ferrous smelting furnaces. Induction melting furnaces offered by us are well known for their impeccable performance. Our induction furnaces are available at industry-leading prices. We are highly instrumental in presenting a wide spectrum of induction coils that are cost-effective. Our non-ferrous melting furnaces offered by us are acknowledged for their durability. Our company is specialized in offering ferrous melting furnaces that are a class apart. Explore our latest range at www.peaseinduction.org.